Good afternoon all. Up to this, in the development of surface, we completed our different sections. That is development of a cylinder, development of a square, prism, development of a pyramid. We also discussed the different points or different problems, actual solved problems for development of cylinder and development of prism. The remaining part is development of pyramid. We will discuss after some discussing some important point of development of right circular cone. Now, how the cone is developed is we will discuss simple development of a cone in this section, and later we will discuss the actual problem of developing the right circular cone. Now the development of lateral surface of a cone of base of diameter 50 mm and height of 70 mm resting on its base on HP. Suppose the cone is placed on HP, that is after placing it on HP, the true shape of scene for that cone is visible. For that cone is the circle, and the front view or top view shows the circle and front view shows the triangle of that right circular cone. Now for that purpose, let us see how can we develop a cone. This is the cone, right circular cone, and this is the axis of that cone. Let us cut that cone in this section. It will be visible like this after cutting the cone. Now let us see the cone development, how it is possible. The top view, as previously I told you that the top view of that cone is visible like a circle, but it is like a circle, and front view of that cone is like a triangle. The shape of that front view of that cone, right circular cone, is a triangle and top view is circle. So let us draw an XY line first for dividing the top view and front view. XY line, above XY line, that is front view, below XY line there is a top view. Now for top view, draw a circle of a given dimension, that is the circle base diameter of that circle cone is 50 mm. So taking 25 mm as a radius, draw the circle below XY line anywhere by taking the center. After that, take the projections of this cone, end points of this cone, and draw the triangle. ओके जो भी ट्रायंगल है उसकी एक्सिस हाइट by measuring the axis height given in the problem. Draw this height and draw an apex. This is the apex of that cone. Draw the apex of that cone by measuring the height of that cone. Next, draw the projection of this apex to the right and projection of the base to the right. Connect these 2 points with the proper aligning. After that, for developing a cone, draw an arc by taking L as a radius. By taking L as a radius, draw an arc which is shown in a red line. The arc is shown in a red line, and the theta is the angle at which this cone is to be developed. So what is that theta? Theta is equal to R by L degrees. That R by L degrees is nothing but this theta can be here. It can be visible clearly. R by L, theta is nothing but the angle of development of that cone, which is theta equal to 360 into R by L degrees, where R is the base circle radius of the cone. Base circle radius means if the base diameter is given 50 mm, then the base circle radius is 25 mm. Hence, the capital R in this problem, in this situation, is 25 mm. L is the slant height of the cone. Okay, slant height of the cone is nothing but this diagram or this dimension. The slant height is visible in this view, which is L, the measurement of that slant height. Suppose that this will be x mm. So 360 into 25 by L by measuring that slant height. Put that value of capital L of slant height in that equation. We'll get theta as a 360 degree. So this will be the problem looking like this, and after that we will draw the development of the cone easily. This is the simple method of developing a cone. So we discussed it as a simple problem for developing a cone. Now let us see, or let us discuss the problem which remain to discuss is development of a pyramid. Okay. Oh, this is the problem for development of pyramid. Now a square pyramid base of 40 mm side and 65 mm long has its base on HP, and all the edges of the base are equally inclined to VP. It is cut by a section plane perpendicular to the VP and inclined at 45 degree to the HP and bisecting the axis. Draw its sectional top view and sectional side view and true shape of the section as also draw the development. That's the development सुद्धा काढायचा. Now let us see a square pyramid, that is the base of that pyramid is a square shape and it is a pyramid. Again, the base side of that pyramid is 40 mm, that is side of the square is 40 mm, and the axis height, that is height of that pyramid, is 65 mm long. It is placed on a HP, that is all the edges are equally inclined to VP. As previous lot of problems we discussed that equally inclination is nothing but the sides of that square are at equal angle. All sides are at equal angle. That is, suppose that this side AB, as we extend this side AB, it is inclined at 45 degree. As we extend this side CD, it is also inclined at 45 degree. As we extend this AD, it is also inclined at 45 degree. As we extend this BC, it is also inclined at 45 degree. So how it could be drawn? It should be drawn like that. Take a point anywhere on x. So first of all, draw an xy line in this problem. For every problem we draw the xy line. Below that xy line the top view is located. Above that xy line the front view is located. After that, draw a line 45 degree anywhere. This is shown here, 45 degree xy line, 45 degree to the xy line. Take a point A anywhere on that line. Mark 40 mm distance on that line, which is point your D. Again, draw a perpendicular lines through this A and D. In lower side you will get these two lines CD and AB. By taking distance equal to 40 mm, mark this point C and B. Will get point A, B, C, D of that square. So this is the top view of that square pyramid. Now connect all these points A, B, C, D at a center, which is center point O, and you will get this center line or center point. After connecting all these points A, B, C, D, you will get O, which is the axis of that pyramid. Now take the projections of all these points: A on the top, C on the top, BD on the top. A, B, C, D, all the points are on XY axis, and increasing the axis height or taking the projection of axis, that is O dash, take a point at a distance of the axis height, which is 65 mm axis height, and connect all these points A dash to O dash, C dash to O dash, B dash D dash to O dash. This is the front view of the square pyramid. Now up to this we completed two stages, that is first by drawing the top view of that square pyramid, and second by drawing the front view of that pyramid. Now we have to develop that pyramid first, and then we will apply the conditions to that pyramid. For developing the pyramid, let us take the slant height or slant edge, which is O dash C dash. Why we are taking this O dash C dash? Since OC is parallel to XY line. OC side of that OC edge of that pyramid is parallel to XY line. Hence, this slant height is true length of that OC, O dash C dash, and we require only true length for drawing the development of a pyramid as well as development of the any type of pyramid, square pyramid, pentagonal pyramid, any type of pyramid. That is why OC is the true length of that pyramid. Then after that, take a distance OA anywhere. Okay, OA which is equal to OC, and mark an arc in this situation, or like this. The black line shows the arc for that pyramid. By marking the arc, you will get point OA and mark the point at a 40 mm distances, at equal distances O, B, B, C, C, D, D, A on that arc. Okay. By marking this point, connect this point by straight line AB at a straight line, BC straight line, CD straight line, DA straight line. You will get the development of the square pyramid. This is the development of a simple pyramid of the development. Now let us apply some conditions which are given in the problem. Up to this we completed only the pyramid development, that is a square pyramid of base side 40 mm and axis side 65 mm long, has its base on HP and all the edges of the base are equally inclined to VP. Up to this we completed. Now let us apply our knowledge of cutting or section plane. It is cut by a section plane perpendicular to VP and inclined at 45 degree to the HP and bisecting the axis. Now this is how it is cut by a सेक्शन प्लेन. ये सेक्शन प्लेन है, ये सेक्शन प्लेन से वो कट किया है, विच इज at 45 degree to HP, that is the inclination of the section plane is 45 degree to the XY line or HP, and bisecting the axis, that is the height of this pyramid is 65 mm. Bisecting means 32.5 mm distance. At a 32.5 mm distance, this plane of cutting or side of cutting is passing through this point. Okay, now this section line cuts the edges of the pyramid at different points. It cuts the O dash A dash edge at 1 dash point. It cuts the O dash B dash edge at 2 dash point. It cuts the O dash C dash edge at 3 dash point, and cuts the O dash D dash edge at 4 dash point. Mark all these points 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash and 4 dash respectively for the every edges. After that, you have to project all these points, measure all these points, or directly by measuring from A dash to 1 dash, take A here, A dash, and mark here 1 dash. Okay, again from B dash, by measuring B dash to 2 dash of cutting points, mark here from B to 2 dash. Again for C dash to 3 dash, measure distance C dash to 3 dash, take a compass and mark from C dash to 3 dash here. And for D dash to 4 dash, again mark here A dash to 4 D dash to 4 dash, and you will get point 4. Again A dash to 1 dash, A dash to 1 dash, take a distance A to 1 and mark, take your compass and mark from A dash to 1. You will get point 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 respectively. Now after this, draw the straight lines for connecting 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 1. By straight line you will connect all these points. Now draw the 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 A, D, C, B, A1, this total area with the dark black line or dark black color, since it is the cut section of the development of the pyramid. That is, upper part that is shown in red and green lines is removed after cutting that plane, and the lower part is only shown in the black line. This is only visible after cutting upper part of that pyramid. So this is what the development of the pyramid. Also you are mentioned to draw the true shape of that pyramid. ट्रू शेप जो दिखाई देगा उसका कट सेक्शन के बाद वो टॉप व्यू में भी दिखाना पड़ेगा और आपको फ्रंट व्यू में भी दिखाना पड़ेगा. फॉर दैट पर्पज ड्रॉ अ लाइन which are perpendicular to x1 y1, that is cutting section. Draw a line perpendicular from 1 dash, draw a line perpendicular from 2 dash, from 3 dash, etc. Mark their point 1 dash and 3 dash which are easily available. Again, now take a distance of this cutting plane from your top view which is shown from this in this diagram. यहाँ टॉप व्यू को जहाँ कट होता है वो आपको मेंशन करना है. 4 डैश एंड 2 डैश ये पॉइंट आपको मिलने चाहिए. तो 4 एंड 2 पॉइंट्स मिलने के लिए आपको फ्रंट व्यू से उसके प्रोजेक्शन लेकर वो आपको मेंशन करना है. दिस इज 4 डैश एंड 2 डैश पॉइंट बाय मेजरिंग दिस डिस्टेंसेस फ्रॉम साइड डेवलपमेंट. you will get 4 dash and 2 dash and this will be drawn like 1 dash 2 dash 3 dash and 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 and draw this in straight line. With the help of straight line you will get the development of the square pyramid. So this is the example. Also draw the hashing line in top view also for clearly visible or for clearly seeing the top view of that square pyramid. Now there is another problem of square pyramid development is here. The square pyramid of base side 40 mm and axis side 65 mm long similar has its base on HP with the two edges of the base are perpendicular to VP. The condition is different only, that is the edge, this edge and this edge AD and BC are perpendicular to VP. Okay, perpendicular to VP means the ABCD AB is parallel to XY. Here the slant height or slant edge is not the true edge or true line for that development. That is why we are here taking any one of the edge which is parallel to the XY line. For that purpose we are taking OC as arc by marking that arc which is parallel to XY line here and taking the projection of this arc on XY line. We will get the true length of the slant edge. This is O dash, this D dash, O dash, some C dash. You will get the true length of the slant edge, and this true length of slant edge is useful for your development purpose. This O, by taking now distance equal to O dash C dash, draw OA, true length of the slant edge, and make an arc of that slant edge with the help of compass. By marking that arc, mark point A, B, C, D, A which are equal to the side of the square pyramid, which are suppose that 40 mm side of that square pyramid. A, B, C, D will get and develop the whole pyramid with the help of these side slant edges or side edges. After that you have to mention the cutting edge which is shown or which is given in this problem. It is cut by a section plane perpendicular to VP inclined at 45 degree to HP and bisecting the axis. Then next you have to bisect this axis, that is at 65 mm 32.5 mm, that is the point of bisection of that section plane, and draw a line 45 degree to the xy ला 45 degree असणारी एक लाईन काढायची. that is your section plane or cutting plane for that line, and mark the points 1 dash 4 dash 2 dash 3 dash. 1 dash is cutting to the edge O dash A dash, 2 dash is cutting to the edge O dash B dash, 3 dash is cutting to the edge O dash C dash, and 4 dash is cutting to the edge O dash D dash. it will get your cutting points. And similarly, in as we discussed in previous problem, connect all these points on the development. This is the simple development of both the square pyramid, and both the conditions were discussed in both the problems. So all you students, I am requesting to draw these problems properly and show me on the WhatsApp or any type of social media personally to my number. Then we will discuss in next point or next video about the development of right circular cone. Thank you.